This home, owned for nearly 20 years, features an exterior that's notably ordinary, lacking distinctive elements. Now, the home feels vibrant and full of color in every room. This house, which has been lived in by its owner for almost 20 years, has an exterior that is nothing special, even too ordinary. But the house interior has been beautifully renovated and decorated to a high standard. And now, the appearance of this house is very refreshing and full of color in every room. The room's layout balances open space with areas of visual density. The color palette is predominantly light and airy, with pops of color that draw the eye. There's a sense of collectedness and personalization, suggesting a space that's been curated over time. The room features a variety of textures, contributing to a rich and layered aesthetic. There's a sense of curated eclecticism, suggesting a personal and collected style. The lighting appears to be a mix of ambient and accent, highlighting different areas within the space. And also, this space is defined by a deep, enveloping color that creates a sense of intimacy. The layout suggests a space designed for social interaction or relaxation. Prepare to be enchanted by the kitchen and dining room, where a cozy log burner adds warmth and character. Bifolding doors open to a lush, southwest-facing garden, a private oasis with its own microclimate. Estate agents at Boardwalk Property described the garden as a lush oasis with a unique microclimate. Its end-of-terrace location ensures a sense of openness, free from feeling enclosed or overlooked. The first floor features hardwood flooring throughout, with a bathroom at the top of the stairs equipped with a full-sized bathtub, an overhead shower, and a built-in storage cupboard. At the rear, a spacious double bedroom serves as an ideal guest room or home office. Meanwhile, the front of the house is currently styled as a sitting room but can easily be converted into a bedroom. Head up to the second floor to find the master bedroom, a serene retreat with ample storage tucked into the eaves. Two skylights flood the space with natural light, creating a bright and airy ambience. This space appears to be dedicated to creative or productive pursuits, with a focus on functionality. The color palette is bright and airy, fostering a sense of openness despite the potentially limited space. The bathroom is characterized by a strong connection to nature, with a focus on incorporating botanical elements. The lighting appears to be a combination of natural and artificial, highlighting different areas within the space. And here is the interior layout design of the house, which shows the rooms on each floor.